Hey guys, Trent Brigner here, product manager with Corterra. Today we're in front of the 25.2RK. It's right under 30 feet and under 6,000 pounds. Let's go check it out. Starting on the off-door side of this unit, one of the things for 2025 models is we're gonna have auto level standard. So as you can see in the pass-through storage, very similar to a fifth wheel setup and teardown, we're gonna have auto level, so great feature for all Corterra travel trailers. Moving to the front of the coach, we're gonna have the vault system. So that's all your unified wiring, your 7-ways, your breakers, your solar fuses. So if you have any issues, it's easy to replace and find the issue, diagnose it, and get on the road. Going to the door side pass-through, you're gonna have your solar charge controller. Also, we are inverter prep, so if you wanted to upgrade the solar, we can add another 190 watt panel and go to a 2000 watt inverter. And then also, one of the cool features, you can also control your awning in your pass-through, so you don't have to walk up into the coach to extend and retract the awning. Now moving down the side of the coach, on all Corterras, you're gonna have 2 solid steps going into the coach. So the nice thing about that, you got a fern step when you're going in on both entrances. Aluminum rims, and then also going into the main entrance, you're gonna have the extended grab handle, more sturdy, more stability going up to the step. Outdoor kitchen on the 25.2RK model, so you're getting a refrigerator and a griddle, which is pretty unique in a couples coach. Then going to the back, you're gonna have your on-the-go ladder, so telescoping ladder, your backup camera prep, and your spare tire. And then another feature that we have on all 2025 models is an on-demand hot water heater in our travel trailers. Let's go check out the inside of the coach. One of the things I love about rear kitchens is how much counter space you have. So big cooking, tons of room to put pots and pans. So all Corterra travel trailers will have solid surface countertop, tons of overhead storage, and below storage, you're gonna have your microwave with your 3-burner cooktop and oven. Going to the side of this, your refrigerator is gonna be 10.7 cubic feet. This is 12 volts, so it can run off your solar. And then right next to it is tons of storage for foods and whatever else you may bring along with you. Now going into the main living areas, all Corterras will have dimmable strip lighting in them. That's an awesome feature. You can kind of set the mood. It brings a good ambiance to the coach. You'll have smart TVs with all Corterras. The dinettes all turn into beds, and then you'll have a tri-fold sleeper sofa standard with the option to have theater seating in particular models. Going into the bathroom, tons of storage. So you're gonna have uppers and lowers for storage, and then you're also gonna have a medicine cabinet. And the other cool feature that we do on the travel trailers is we have porcelain toilets standard. And then just to the right of the toilet, you're gonna have a shower. Now up in the master bedroom, storage is a big thing. So you'll have wardrobes on both sides, and you'll have overheads. And the other thing too is you'll have additional wardrobe storage on the other side of this wall. Standard in these bedrooms, you're gonna have 60 by 80 queen beds, and on both sides you'll have 110 outlets, and you'll have USB and USB-C charging. So CPAPs, phones, we got you covered in both. That wraps up the interior. Guys, for more information on the 25.2RK, check us out at www.heartlandrvs.com. Happy camping.